At Denny's Roofing, we're your trusted source for top-notch roof repair in Longmont, Colorado. With over 2 decades of experience, we're here to ensure your home stays safe and secure under our expert care. Worried about leaks or storm damage? Our experienced technicians specialize in efficient, long-lasting roof repair to safeguard your home. When you choose us for roof repair in Longmont, Colorado, you're choosing quality, professionalism, and affordability. Your peace of mind is priceless, and that's what we deliver with every roof repair project we undertake. Don't let a damaged roof cause stress. Reach out to Denny's Roofing today, and let us handle all your roof repair needs. At Denny's Roofing, we take pride in ensuring each repair is completed to the highest standard. Your satisfaction is our priority. With Denny's Roofing, your roof repair in Longmont, Colorado, is in the hands of experts who truly care about your home's well-being. From minor repairs to major overhauls, trust us to provide the solutions you need for a reliable and resilient roof. Join our satisfied customers who have experienced the excellence of Denny's Roofing. Contact us today for your roofing needs. Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear? Call us at 970-275-4012 to schedule your roof inspection today. Our dedicated team understands the unique challenges of Longmont's climate, making us the go-to experts for roof repair in this beautiful Colorado town. Regarding Longmont, Colorado, roof repair, we've got you covered. Visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/longmont-roofing-company to learn more about our services. Explore our website for valuable resources and insights into maintaining a healthy, durable roof in Longmont, Colorado. Denny's Roofing, your partner in roof repair excellence in Longmont, Colorado.